guys, welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. I'm Madalina and this is my channel, and if this is your first visit, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right under this video and the notification bell button right next to it, because you want to know when I upload new videos, which is every Friday and sometimes Mondays like this one. And as I promised, I have some news for you, and actually, as I already said, it's more personal and more emotional, and I am gonna ask you to be supportive and nice about it. And I know that you are always nice, but yeah, I need you to be supportive of this because it's something really emotional and delicate for me. And actually, I am really excited about this in the same time. And there are good news, guys, so it's nothing bad. There are good news. If you remember, we took a trip to Iceland last month, and just before going to Iceland, we found out something. We found out something that we really wanted, and we really still want this. We found out that we are expecting. So yeah, I am pregnant actually, and I am actually really happy about it and really excited, and it's a wonderful time for me. And yeah, I'm about 15 weeks now, so we've known for a while, but every day it's something that we enjoy and we are really happy about it. And yeah, I wanted to make this because I want to document a little bit what's happening with me, because I don't really know that many women that are vegan and pregnant, especially not here in Romania. So I wanted to document my journey and my pregnancy and stuff like that. So that's why Iceland was even more special, because we were only me and my husband, we were three, even if the third one is the really tiny human that's growing right now inside me. So yeah, we actually did the Iceland trip as a test for how you can be vegan even in harsher conditions. And it was even harder because I had some days when I was sick, because morning sickness is a thing, and sometimes it's not only in the morning, it's morning, day, noon, night, whatever. It's all day, sometimes all night. Sometimes it's not fun, but even with that, it's a wonderful time. And we had a wonderful time there. We saw a lot of stuff like waterfalls and amazing landscapes, and some cliffs and fjords and a geyser. So it was wonderful, and I really loved every minute of it, even if we were at the beginning of May. So theoretically it was spring even in Iceland, but we had snow, guys, snow and snowstorms, like really bad ones in the mountains or mountain hills, whatever they have there. And we had some horrible weather. Lucky us, we were prepared, and I was actually over prepared, because as a pregnant woman, mother, whatever, I have to be always prepared for nasty weather, because I had to take care of me, and not only me, but I had to be a little bit more cautious than usual. So yeah, we were prepared. And as about food, because a lot of people struggle with eating vegan food when they are abroad, at least in the Nordic countries, because let's be serious, you don't have a lot of fresh fruits and veggies that are affordable. Actually, in Iceland, all the groceries are quite expensive because they have to ship everything, and yeah. But we still managed to do it quite on a budget, and okay, it wasn't an extremely small budget, but still on a budget. And how we managed that? We stayed a lot in apartments rented through the Airbnb or booking sites, and every apartment had a kitchen, even a really small one. But even in a really small kitchen, you can do wonders if you want. We bought canned beans from their supermarkets, some fruits, veggies, basic stuff, and some spices. And actually we traveled with two with gluten bags, small bags, to make seitan burgers for lunches, because as I said, we saw waterfalls and stuff like that. And when you're searching for landscapes and for wonderful views, you don't have enough time to go to search for a restaurant or stuff like that. And you can find sandwiches in their shops, but some of them are really expensive if you want a good sandwich, and they're quite small. So I wanted something to fill us up, so I made burgers for lunches and a lot of curries, whole wheat pasta with veggies for dinners. And for breakfast we bought actually a huge bag of oats, and we bought some fruits, and in the morning we had oats with fruits, and we made them with water a lot of the time, and also with some peanut butter. You can find peanut butter that is quite cheap and it's delicious, and you can eat good food if you want. Yeah, it takes a little bit more of thinking ahead, and you have to prepare a bit more, but you can totally do it. I mean, we did it, and actually I was quite picky about my food because, as I said, pregnancy sickness and stuff, and I could not eat all the foods that I used to. I don't really eat that many sweets anymore because I can't, not even all the fruits. I used to love figs, now I cannot stand them, and I actually used to love them, but still, lucky for me, the baby loves savory and spicy foods, and that's a lifesaver because I love them. So yeah. And yeah, I turned a bit into a ramble about Iceland, but that was the first part of my pregnancy. We just found out, and there were a lot of new sensations and new emotions and experiences, and all this while traveling to a northern country when we had snowstorms and horrible weather, as I already said. So yeah, still, with everything, it's a wonderful experience, and yeah, we're still planning to raise this child vegan because we're vegans, and we want to teach him or her the things that we learned about love and compassion, and about the animals and the planet, and about what we care and why we care about everything. Because I discovered that being pregnant, it's not only about growing a new human, it's about discovering that I have a lot more love even with a lot more mixed emotions and a lot of fear sometimes, but I have a lot more love to give, and a lot more compassion, because I can understand a lot more, because I'm growing a life and I can understand a lot more than before the value of a life. And every life is important, guys. Not only human, non-human lives alike are important. If the oceans go without fish, we die. If we kill other species, we can die. If humans die, nobody's gonna care. Actually, if humans die, the planet's gonna thrive, so who are we kidding? We have to take care of this planet because it's everything that we have, and we don't need to destroy it. So I care about this a lot more, and I never thought that it's possible to care more that I used to, because now I care about me, about my husband, and about this baby, and about our future. And this baby's future is a lot longer and bigger than ours, because yeah, it's a baby, and we have to take care of it, of this planet, and of ourselves. So yeah, I'm gonna stop here before I'm gonna start crying. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and if you want me to make this into a series, let me know. I'm not gonna do it every week, let's be serious. Maybe once a month, or maybe even less, but I can do it. And let me know in the comments if you have any topics for me, any special things that you want me to talk about, to discuss. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and hit that notification bell button, because YouTube sometimes doesn't show the videos in the subscribed stream feed, whatever. And yeah, thank you very much again, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and go vegan!